Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Anna and I'm a random stranger on the internet talking to you about beauty. I am coming with you today with my big Mama Jama Ipsy Glam Bag Plus unboxing. That is a ridiculously long name, but yes, this is the Ipsy Glam Bag. It costs $25 a month and it comes in this giant box. So we're just going to be unboxing it and talking about the products today. Normally I do a comparison between my Ipsy bag and my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, but they come so far apart. Like, they come a good 2 weeks apart a lot, and I just feel like that's too long to hold on to these products and have them just sitting around not getting used, waiting for this video to go up. So I'm just gonna start doing them separately, and you can just watch the two videos. And if there's still an interest for comparing the two, let me know, and I can, you know, create similar content, but we're gonna try this format out for now. All right, give me a second. Let me get all the products out and I'll show you what we got this month. All right, so the theme of this month was Find Your Light. And I think they're all supposed to be loosely based on, let's see what it says. It says, it comes with this little card. It says, September's all about finding new paths and possibilities. And it's like hashtag discover yourself. So I don't really think, I don't know if really these have anything to do with light necessarily, but I'm pretty excited about this month's bag either way, so it's fine. I'm cool with it. The first thing we got, and this is a big one, this is actually the Glam Glow Tropical Cleanse Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. So a new wash. And can we just talk about how cute the packaging is? Like, oh my gosh, they always do the cutest packaging. Ooh, okay, well, maybe it's not meant to come off. It doesn't have one of those little tags under it, so don't take this cap off. This smells good. I haven't utilized this yet, but I typically like Glam Glow products, so as soon as I finish up my shower face wash, this will be going into the shower. Side note, you are not supposed to wash your face in the shower. The water's too hot, blah, blah, blah. Whatever. I do it anyway. I do what I want, all right? I do what I want. Also, I'm lazy. All right, the second product is from Wander Beauty, and it is their Frame Your Face Micro Brow Pencil. And I love the packaging on this, mainly because I just love this color. It's just like really pretty burgundy-esque shade. It's got the pencil end and it's got the spoolie end. I actually like because the cap will say brow end, spoolie end. But as you can, I don't know if you can actually even see, it's got a very micro fine tip. I haven't tried any of these products out yet, so I mean, I'm excited to try this out. I needed a new brow pencil. If you watch my empties video, I recently finished up one of my brow pencils. I wasn't a fan of it, so this is all done. Well, that was done, so this will be probably taking its place, but we'll see. We'll see if I like it. I'm a little hesitant because it feels really like waxy, and it really won't even swatch on the hand at all. You really gotta work it. So I don't know. I don't know about this product. Side note, sorry about the noise in the background. My dog Hermione, she is a chocolate Labrador, and she's kind of like a bulldozer, so she just bombards into rooms. And so she bombarded into my room, and then my husband was trying to like sneakily get her out the door with treats and not interrupt filming, so he's like whispering, and it was pretty cute. It was actually really, really cute. So product number 2, full size. And that is one thing about the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, is that they're all going to be full-size items. So I really should stop specifying that these are full-size. Like, that's kind of the shtick that they have, is that they'll all be full-size products. All right, the next one is by Ofra, and it is the Madison Miller highlighting. They call it the Madison Miller Midi Palette Miller Squat. And this was actually the one that I got to pick for myself. Comes in the very traditional Ofra white packaging, and I have to be careful. It actually is like, I think it's going to pop out. but if you can see there, it is a blush with 2 highlighters. So I will swatch these for you so you can get a glimpse of them. The Ofra highlighter formula is just so beautiful and swatches so easily, but their blushes I find do not. I really love the packaging. I mean, it's a little cheapy feeling, but it's got a mirror in it and I like the design elements, but those are it. So the blush is in the center and you can see the 2 highlights. There's more of a like cool tone champagne highlighter and then more of a gold highlighter. So, and I actually got to pick that product out. This month you get to pick one of your products, and that's the one that I pick just because I'm really interested in testing out the Ofra formula. All right, the next thing is Illamasqua. It is their Antimatter lipstick in the shade Cosmic. Ooh. First time trying this brand. It's the tube right there, and I will show you a swatch. We'll do it right there. It will go really lovely with the blush. It's that shade right there. I mean, I think you can really easily picture that paired with this blush. They would go really lovely together. I'm always excited to try out a new lipstick. However, so supposedly this lipstick costs $27. That's the same price as like a Bite lipstick, and this is like the cheapest plastic container. And that's one of my big pet peeves when it comes to lipsticks. Like, yeah, it's a great formula and the design is really good. Like, you probably can't see, but it has like concave sides, so it kind of rests really easily in your hand, but it just feels super cheap and it doesn't clip particularly securely. So even though the color's great and I haven't had a chance to try out the formula, I can pretty much promise you I would never have paid $27 for this lipstick just on the pure basis of the packaging. If I'm going to spend that kind of money on a lipstick, not only does the formula need to be on point for me, but the packaging needs to the packaging needs to match the quality of the price point. So I think I had the same complaint last month too, where I'm like, color's great, but the packaging is cheapo, and like, it makes me judge your brand. It just does. All right, last product. This is by Ciate. It's the Extraordinary Translucent Powder. And I have to say, the packaging on this one is so adorable. Ciate always does. Like, look at that. Oh, can you see me? There you go. But it's so cute. It's got these like little gold nudie pink stars and then this top. It is really beautiful packaging and I'm just really excited to try this out. I'm trying to get back into loose setting powders because, I don't know, do you ever get bored of using the same thing over and over again? I recently finished a pressed powder and so I'm just ready to try out something new. But yep, so that's what I got in this month's this month's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus quick review. I got a Glam Glow exfoliating cleanser, a micro brow pencil from Wander Beauty, the Ofra Cosmetics trio of 2 highlights and a blush, the Illamasqua lipstick in the shade Cosmic, and then the Ciate Translucent Setting Powder. All right, thanks so much for joining me for this video, guys. Go into the world, be fabulous, be you. Bye.